I'm afraid there are some questions only the gods themselves can answer. Look for their sign. You have to be patient. A sign that the gods have a plan. I know that the future looks blurry, but not to worry, just do what you can. Yes, the gods are very real, though they often won't reveal. They are what they want, they're designed. Have faith, keep your chin up, will help you adjust, and trust you will see their sign.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6.
Well, it could be. That is to say, the prophecies suggest. But that's impossible. I'll see you at dinner, Percy.
Move on.
Tough first day?
For this day, I didn't even believe in you.
Believing doesn't make it easier, trust me.
You know, all this time I thought my dad was a deadbeat. Turns out
He's a deadbeat god.
Move
How
on.
do you feel? I was your age when I found out my dad was Hermes, the messenger god. You know, wings on his shoes.
we're talking.
Once. We're not.
Move on.
Look, the gods are busy. They have a lot of kids and they don't always care. If you're one of the lucky ones,
Go.
they'll send a sign that they want to claim you. A sign to admit you're their own.
If they don't,
Then no one can blame you for holding a grudge, so hey, you're not alone. I'm Luca. I'm gonna be your counselor. The Hermes cabin takes anyone who hasn't been claimed, so that means we are literally the reject cabin. Welcome to the dysfunctional family. Rejects stick together.
Move on.
Besides, there's someone who's been waiting to see you.
I'm sorry. Satyrs are supposed to be protectors. I'm the worst satyr in the world.
4, 5, 6.
When parents are distant or seem non-existent, hang on 'cause you're gonna be fine. I'm nervous a lot, thinking about all of this awkwardness, darkness, and doubt. Need a friend to figure it out. Together we'll search for your sign.
Come on, I'll show you the armory, the amphitheater, the cafetorium.